Reverse Parking Collision-Avoidance Assist detects collision risks and assists with braking to avoid collisions whilst parking in reverse. Press and hold the parking safety button to toggle PCA on and off. With the tailgate and doors closed, put your vehicle into R to activate PCA. If a risk of collision is detected, a warning will sound. If a collision is imminent, a warning will sound and emergency braking will be activated. If the vehicle is stopped by emergency braking, a warning message is displayed on the cluster. After emergency braking, immediately press the brake pedal and check the surrounding area. PCA will deactivate when you change gear, or 5 minutes after operation. PCA can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.